Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. Pow! Hello! So I know I get a lot of questions from different individuals that want to know how can they forecast what the 2021 government contracts are going to look like. So they really want to know, like in my area, if I live in Atlanta, is there any way I can find out what agency is going to use my NICS code the most, which is 561720. That is the janitorial, housekeeping, facilities management, all of that as far as cleaning, that is your NICS code, 561720. Now, this NICS code is what you use to actually let the government know what type of services you are going to provide for them, because you're looking to work for them. You are looking to do work for them in exchange for a contract where you have a sure set of financial monies coming in to your cleaning business. Doesn't that sound good? Financial monies, you know how that sounds? Anyway, so that you make sure you get paid. That's what it comes down to. And so what can you do? So one of the agencies that absolutely is going to be doing a lot of contracts in all 3 areas. So there is existing opportunities, which are like, awarded contracts that are going on right now. There is simplified acquisition, which is $10,000 to $150,000. So from $10,000 to $150,000. And then there are micro purchases, which are $10,000 and below. And one of the agencies that's going to use that is the Department of Treasury. Now, there's about 4 different areas that they're going to use it in, but one of them you need to know is going to be the Department of Treasury that is going to do, some awarding of those areas I just spoke about. So existing contracts, and when I talk about $10,000 to $150,000 is simplified acquisition. Those are simplified acquisition procedures, procurement. And the other one is micro purchases, which means you don't have to bid. Now, simplified acquisition, you don't have to bid either. These are no bid contracts. The other ones are bidding. So there's the Department of Treasury. It's going to be one, and there's a lot of different months that they're going to need more than others. Now, in the month of October, there's one department that's going to need a lot. And so there's different ways to find out. And what you want to do is you want to find out which agency is going to need the most, and you'll be able to find out through the various agencies. So if you'd like to know more about finding out what agencies are going to need you, specifically micro purchases, those are the no bidding, or the $10,000 to the $150,000 simplified acquisition. Those are no bidding as well, or just which ones are going to need you, and there is existing opportunities right now, right at this moment. Then make sure you do this. Why don't you register for my free masterclass? And we go into all of this and more, how to find different opportunities for contracting, how to make sure you meet the basic requirements. What do you need to do to actually get paid with the U.S. government for government cleaning contracts? I call them GovClean contracts. If you're interested in all that and more, then make sure you sign up for the free masterclass. I love it. It is so much fun. I get you in and out in about 45 minutes, going into the basic requirements, then how to market to government buyers, all the way up to how to find contract opportunities, including micro purchases, which is one of my favorite, where you do not have to bid. So if you want to know what that looks like, then like I said, click the link below to register to this masterclass. It's absolutely free, and bring pen and paper, because I love to give you something that you can implement in your business, cleaning business, right away. Actionable items that you can do just like that. So if you'd like to know more, then click the link in the description, sign up. I'd love to see you there. And if you'd like to know what we can do for your cleaning business, how we can get you started, meet the basic requirements, SAM's registration, and so much more, then make sure you look in the description for our number, which is 407-595-1598. And we'd love to hear from you and find out what we can do to help you along. So until next time, be safe, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.